Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to enable TikTok suggestions from accounts you follow. If you want to stay updated with the latest content from your favorite creators, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Notifications. Step 6. Look for the option labeled Videos from Accounts You Follow under the Video Suggestions category. Step 7. Enable the toggle switch next to Videos from Accounts You Follow to start receiving suggestions specifically from the accounts you follow. By following these steps, you can ensure that you stay connected with the content created by your favorite TikTok creators. This feature allows you to easily discover new videos, trends, and updates from the accounts that you enjoy following. Thank you for watching and enjoy the TikTok suggestions from accounts you follow.